Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI in your projects. First, identify the core problem Gemini will solve. Consider tasks like content creation, data analysis, or automation. Next, understand Gemini's capabilities and limitations for your specific use case. This initial planning ensures effective integration and maximizes the AI's potential within your project framework. To integrate Gemini, you'll typically use its API. Begin by setting up your development environment, choosing a language like Python or JavaScript. Securely obtain and manage your API keys. Never expose them publicly. Then, make API calls to send prompts and receive responses. This allows your application to leverage Gemini's intelligence directly and efficiently. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It makes a huge difference. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Gemini can power many project features. For instance, generate marketing copy, summarize long documents, or even write code. It excels at analyzing large text datasets for sentiment or key themes. You can also build conversational agents or personalized content recommenders. Gemini's versatility makes it a valuable asset for enhancing user experience and automating complex tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.